Hello, and welcome to That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. You know me as that guy that does cooking demonstrations and some of the funny stuff and everything, but what you may not know is I have other interests, and one of those is photography. And recently, I was given the opportunity to go to Williamsport, Maryland. The interesting thing about Williamsport, Maryland is that the C&O Canal goes through there. And recently they finished a project where they rewatered the aqueduct. An aqueduct is a bridge that allows water to pass over top of water. Let's talk about what I saw while I was in Williamsport, Maryland, and the C&O Canal. The C&O Canal is one of the more unique national parks in the United States. It extends 184.5 miles from Georgetown, Washington, D.C. to Cumberland, Maryland. Some of the canal was actually surveyed by George Washington. The groundbreaking held on July 4, 1928, was attended by President John Quincy Adams. It was used primarily for trade transport. However, it was not very successful. It was prone to acts of nature and the elements. Following the disastrous flood of 1889, the canal company entered receivership and was acquired by the B&O Railroad primarily to keep the right-of-way from falling into the hands of the rival Western Maryland Railroad. In March 1954, Justice William O. Douglas led an 8-day hike of the towpath from Cumberland to D.C. In 1957, Judge Douglas proposed the canal be made a national park. On January 8, 1971, President Richard Nixon finally declared it a national park. From the National Park Service website comes the story of how the Conacajig Aqueduct was broken. Captain Myers was an experienced canal boat captain who regularly hauled 200 tons of coal in his cargo boat on the C&O Canal. On April 20, 1920, he returned to the Cushwall Basin in Williamsport, Maryland, with a load of coal from Cumberland. After the boat was unloaded, he started back up the canal to get another load. His boat and mule team entered the stone aqueduct near the Cushwall Basin when it gave way. Captain Myers, his crew, and his mule survived, but his boat ended up in the Conacajig Creek below. And then for the next 24 hours, water from the canal poured out of the breach, stranding boats upstream for weeks. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please like and subscribe by hitting my little face over here, and hit the little bell so you get notifications whenever I do other videos. So until the next time, we'll see you.